All right, I'm back out here today. My expectations today are probably a little out of line with reality, but I got a few hours, not even that, probably like about an hour. I'm trying to get all the decking on here. I got to finish up the lag bolts and then put the sheathing on, tongue and groove 3/4 inch plywood, and get her done and get it ready for the walls. The 2x4s for the walls just arrived. So, you know, if I waited for Saturday or Sunday, each time we did work on this thing, it's going to take months. So I got a little time. Here it is on Wednesday, an hour or two. I got the tools on the Rhino, and we'll see what I can get done. So I got the decking, the interior part done today. This part here with nothing on it, that's going to be board decking because that's going to be the front porch. So we're either going to put some hickory boards down or some oak planking, something. And then right here is going to be the front wall with the front door that goes in. And yeah, so the current layout now is 12 foot by 10. So that'll be the inside of the cabin right in here. It's not too bad. And then it's going to be a loft. You know, I think we'll go up. Going to have a front porch, and I don't know if I'm going to run the loft out over the front porch or we're going to be back here. But we're going to have 10 foot walls on the side with a 12-12 pitch up the middle, so that ought to put me up at about 12.5 feet in the middle. No, actually 15 feet in the middle. That's going to be up there. So it'll be plenty of room for a little second floor.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
All right, we're at this point. So I don't know, first day was the post, second day of working was the framing, the floor framing. Then I snuck down here and put some plywood down, and then we framed and stood the walls up today. So this is the end of the day, so I'm bushed. We're going to be back tomorrow and finish up the front wall, set the ridge beam, and hopefully cut all the rafters and put them up there. It's tall. I mean, this thing, you know, the center is 15 feet, the wall, and then the back is probably almost 3 foot off the ground. So that's 17, 18 feet off the ground. up there. It's gonna be fun putting tin on that roof, but we'll get it. The reason it's so tall is because we're gonna put a loft in this thing. Right up there, probably from about here to there, is gonna be a deck, you know, going across, and then that'll go all the way across. And from here, I don't know, from here to there is like 2.5 feet. But then you add, you know, it goes up 5 feet there. So you'll be able to stand up in the middle. I might have to bring this window down a little bit, but yeah, we're getting there. And this is gonna be decking boards out here. And this is the front wall. And then the roof is gonna cantilever over the front porch here. And that'll be our view.